Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be tying in my jasmine. Pruned it back last year. See, it's really grown a lot, but I cut some of the main supports, which I didn't realise it's getting here. Got some screws that are screwed into the top there. And we're going to have to tie it from there all the way down to here. So, a quick look out here. So yeah, get some screws in there. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is put some screws in here. There and there. I'm going to get some of this. Yeah, now I've got the screws in. Right, I've started the wire off. All I'm going to do then is feed it out. And you wrap it round here a couple of times. Sorry about this, folks. Trying to do it with one hand. Then you back up to the top. And you do that several times. And then I'll show you when it's done. It's like magic. What I'm doing now is just going to pull this inwards. And I'm going to tie around that nice, healthy, strong stem there. It's probably 1 inch wide. So I'll just cut some wire. The thing I like about this is, I don't know if you see this, it comes in a little packet, and then you can just use that just to cut it like so. I'll try and do this one-handed, so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry if the camera's a bit wonky. Get it through there like so. Round. And then I'm going to double that up. So let's put the camera down for that. And that's that done. Using I think it's 1 or 2 millimeter wire covered in plastic, which is great. It doesn't rub as much. That's that side done. So I'll come round and do this side. So I'll get that side done and show you the difference, folks. Won't be a second. That's it, that's that one done. And this side done as well. Just seen there. That's how to tie back your jasmine. As soon as it's finished flowering, I'll prune it back and it'll look a lot tidier then. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.